Okay, here's a tip for making your swirl look really good and so you don't lose that line when you fill in. And I am going to use, you need 3 colors all the time, and I'm going to use yellow, green, and blue. Oops, there. I'm going to start with green. Like on the video that I forget the man's name, but he was doing like crisscrossy lines. You can do that, or I like to kind of scribble under control. And I'm not pressing hard. I'm going to just kind of fill in that part. If you do it all the same, that pencil line starts to disappear. So I want a good base color at the bottom. And you want all of your colors. You want 3 layers of color everywhere. That's what I want to say. And I'm trying to make this fast, but I had to peel that paper. And I'm going to put my blue on one side of my line. And I'm only going like halfway across. I'm going to add a little bit more. Oops. And I'm going to do really lightly on the other side. Because remember, we want 3 layers of color everywhere. And it'll smooth out. Okay, so I'm going to do my yellow. And let me see how, where am I? See how my yellow is really dirty? I'm just going to, like the lady did on her video, I'm going to clean that off just by wiping it off on a paper towel. Do not do this on the back of your paper, please. Because when you go to store it or keep it or whatever, it'll get all over other things that it's laying on top of. So now I'm going to do my yellow. And I'm going to cross into my darker blue a little bit because we want 3. I'm going to do lightly on this side. So we've got 3 colors everywhere. That's kind of what the rule of 3s is really about. 3 layers of color, different colors that kind of make one color, or it merges into one color. And I'm going to keep going until all my little white speckles kind of go away. So it's going to take, since you're starting gently, it's going to take several different layers. And I'm going to kind of keep my green mainly in the middle of my swirl. And I'll do a little bit more to fill in some of those little gaps. And I'm going to go back. I'm not going to clean it off this time because it's mostly green and blue on there, and those are the other colors I'm using. I'm going to punch up my yellow on the kind of the outside, go into the middle, and then I'm going to get my blue again, and I'm going to get in towards that middle. And I'm going to kind of overlap the green. So I've got kind of yellow, green, into blue, green, into blue. In there. And we can see the swirl because it's kind of highlighted by that yellow. And I'm going to give you a closer look. Okay, so I'm going to stop there. I hope that helps you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.